Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Mana and I'm back with another video. So I just got back from school, so like I look a mess, you know, bummed out today, whatever. But so yeah, my hair, it's time for a wash. And I was like, people were telling me to like make a hair mask or whatever. So I was like, alright, bet I'll try to make a hair mask. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I make a simple hair mask. I usually use them after I straighten my hair and going back to curly, but since I just wanted my hair to feel more relaxed and whatever, because I feel like there's a lot of product buildup and like it's just, you know, it's not feeling well. It's not going right because it's winter. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to make the hair mask and what my hair looks like before and after. Throughout the video I might look a little crazy because I'm gonna, like, you know, take my hair out this bun and just spread it out a little bit, and I'll show you guys how to put it in your hair. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this and let's get into this video. So I just changed and now I'm in the kitchen. Just you might want to wear a shirt that you don't care about getting dirty or whatever, but I'm sorry for the lighting. I'm in a bad angle because I wanted to be in a clear space, so whatever. But yeah, so this hair mask is something fun you could do with your friends, and it's pretty good for your hair. It's like good and moisturizing, helps with moisture and stuff like that. So let me get the ingredients. So you can see I have virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil, 2 eggs, avocado, and a banana, and a microwavable bowl and mixing bowls and stuff, and other utensils, and a strainer. So as you can see, I already have the coconut oil in a bowl, and you're gonna want to melt that for about maybe a minute, 45 seconds, depending on how much you put in there. And there's the coconut oil melted. Might want to mix it a little bit to see if there's any chunks left. If not, you can set that aside. And next you're gonna want to get the eggs. And when you crack the eggs, you're going to want to just only use the egg whites as seen here. I'm about to demonstrate. So you want to crack the eggs and just scoop the egg yolk back and forth to where the egg whites will fall out into the bowl and the egg will get trapped in the egg still. It's like a back and forth motion. I'm going to do the same thing with the other egg. So now I'm going to get the banana and I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Since I do not have an electric mixer, I'm mixing by hand, so I was thinking that the smaller chunks would help better if mixing, since I do not have that electric mixer to smoothly mix it for me, because it broke. And yes, hazard, do not cut on your hands. But yes, I'm going to mash the bananas a little bit to see if that would help a little bit. I'm going to continue doing that for a little bit. So now I'm gonna get an avocado. You might want to get a really ripe, squishy kind of brownish avocado, because that has the best nutrients in it, and that will help affect if in your hair a lot. It might look gross, but that's what really helps a lot. So I'm just gonna cut that up, scoop it, and pour it in the bowl as well, and cut that up into smaller cubes to where it will mix better. I'm gonna continue doing that. And after that, I will come and drizzle and pour in the avocado oil and the virgin olive oil, and as well as the coconut oil. And it might seem like a lot of oils, but those are like some main 3 oils that are really good for your hair. So after I pour in the oil, like you can see, I'm going to start mixing, and it might be a little hard, but at the end I cut it out, but I will be straining it a little bit, straining the mask, because I would like because since I'm not using an electric mixer, I would want my mix to be a little more smooth and less chunky. So you do that as you please or not, but you can mix and strain your thing. And I will also add another green avocado to it towards the end, as you can see very soon. But yeah, that's all for the making part of it. So I'm back, as you can see, in my other bathroom, and I put my hair out a little bit, you know, and it took me forever to do this, but as you can see, it's kind of thick and not really mixed super well because my actual mixer, electrical mixer, broke. So I was just mixing by hand, and that took forever, and my hands hurt. And it's not the best, but video wise, it's okay. So you might want to like brush your hair, stretch it out, just make sure it's big. Most people like my hair when it's big and stuff, but I don't really dig it all the time like that. But yeah, so it's big, whatever. Feels so oily, but so the consistency of hair mask is that like it is good. Like, I mean, you shouldn't do hair masks all the time. I researched that like if you do them too recent, it's not good. But this does consist of a lot of oils, which is good for your hair for oils. So that's the reason why I used it. And it's just good to like use before you wash your hair after, like, you know, sometimes you don't want to do it all the time. But I just chose to do it because people requested it, so I was like, okay, because I haven't really done a hair mask in a long time, but I used to, and I don't really have the time anymore, and it's just a lot of work sometimes, and I'm kind of rushing this in, but it's whatever. It's cool. The benefits are cool. But yeah, so should I wash it? Yeah, I should wash it. I kind of like this. Not that bad, you know. You know, sloppy moments. Okay, let me stop. So let me get to this video. So I'm just gonna start parting my hair into two halves. So I'm gonna work with halves for this. You can work your hair however you want, however you put in your oil in your hair to your scalp. You're gonna wanna do the same thing for this hair mask. But for now, I'm gonna start with working with halves. So I'm just gonna split my hair in half and put one side in a bun. And then again, I'm just gonna keep on brushing it out, and then I'm going to just start splitting different parts in my hair. And I'm going to you're gonna wanna first apply the mask to your scalp. That's one of the important parts of this mask, is to get it to your scalp. So as seen here, I'm just continuing the part all the way down, and I'm gonna continue to put the mask starting from my scalp. And after that, I'm going to separate other areas and continue to add the mask onto my scalp. Just as if you're putting oil in your hair, that's how you want to part your hair. And having curly hair could be kind of hard when you're parting, so make sure your hair is kind of brushed out more than I did obviously, but yeah. So then I'm gonna go back and just put the hair mask in the middle, and I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps I did on the other side to the side that I'm about to untie. So this mask is actually really good because of the oils and the banana and the avocado. It's good for moisture, and the oils are good for your scalp and your hair. It does also moisturize your hair. It's good for, especially when you straighten your hair and you're coming back to curly. It's good to do it before, and it helps kind of bounce back your curls if you're afraid you kind of got heat damage. It kind of takes that away, and also takes away the smell of heat, and it just is nourishing to your hair. It makes your hair stronger, especially when you're about to wash it. And it's just it helps add shine to your hair with the egg whites. So as you can see, I'm just starting to put the hair mask all over my hair, and as you can see, there was a drastic change. My hair got longer and thinner because, yes, the mask is of a wet consistency. So you will notice after you put the mask in, it will start to melt in your hair. So you're gonna want to cover your hair up at the end, because yes, the oils will get all over your neck, and that's one down thing about this. But oil actually isn't bad for you. But yeah, you're gonna want to tie it up as best you can, and if a shower cap or something, you want to cover it up with that, and that will help. So yeah, that's it. Here's the final look, and I'm done. It's a little messy, and I feel like I didn't make enough to cover all of my hair, but a majority of it, and it's fine as long as you get your scalp. That's the most important part. And so I will see you guys when I am done and I rinse it out. So as you guys can see, I am back, and my hair is freshly washed and detangled and everything. And so yeah, so I kind of left the hair mask in for about a couple hours, maybe 2, because I was like homework and stuff. So after that, first you're gonna have to rinse it out really well, and after that you're gonna wash your hair like a daily wash, and then make sure you brush your hair to make sure anything's out of it, and just do your daily wash routine, and at the end just make sure you brush your hair and moisturize it stuff, and you're good to go. And it does make your hair feel soft, and it feels refreshing when you wash your hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys take everything in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And bruh, I swear I'm breaking out so badly, man. But yeah, also people were requesting for me to show my daily wash routine and what products I use and how I put on my hair and how I apply it, what I do. I will show a video soon when I have a chance to. So yeah, so again, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below any video suggestions, or any hair masks I want to see, or any videos I want to see. Don't forget to show love and support and pass this on, and I'll see you guys next time.